Corner pull-out storage turns dead blind corner space into usable, organized storage for small homes. Le Mans rotating trays are ideal when you need full access without reaching deep into the cabinet. Install the mechanism so the first tray sits slightly below the countertop level to keep heavier items stable and balance load distribution across the carousel. Kidney-shaped pull-out trays slide out on full extension glides so you can see contents at a glance. Use soft, close slides rated for weight, and mount the face frame adapters accurately to prevent binding. Diagonal pull-out spice towers fit into corner angles and use narrow vertical shelves to store jars and small containers. Measure bottle heights and leave an extra 1/4 inch clearance per shelf to avoid tipping. Pull-out pantry diagonals convert a deep corner into a shallow forward-facing shelf system by angling shelves toward the user. Secure shelves with anti-rattle clips and use non-slip liners to keep items from sliding when you open and close. Custom corner drawers with multi-level dividers maximize horizontal and vertical space, so design drawer heights to match item types and include removable dividers for versatility. Choose plywood or solid wood box construction and full extension undermount slides for durability and quiet operation. For any retrofit, always measure cabinet opening width, interior depth, and obstructions such as plumbing or electrical, and mock up with cardboard before ordering hardware to confirm fit. Common mistakes include buying a mechanism that does not match cabinet geometry, which causes rubbing or incomplete extension, so double-check inside corner-to-corner depth, and hinge interference, and consult manufacturer dimensional drawings before purchase. Another frequent issue is underestimating weight capacity, which leads to premature wear and sag. Select heavy-duty slides or carousels with a rated capacity above realistic loads and distribute weight evenly across trays. People also assume installation is plug-and-play and skip squaring the cabinet, which results in misaligned doors and sticking trays. Use a level and temporary shims during mounting and test operation repeatedly before final screw torquing. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners discover local contractors who offer corner pull-out solutions and find inspiration from project pictures and community posts. We connect contractors with homeowners seeking jobs and host a discussion community where we share installation tips, product recommendations, and real-world experiences.